my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this inspiring book called My Life with Parkinson's Disease. It was so great because I knew nothing about Parkinson's before reading this, and now, well, I got to hear from someone firsthand, and I think that means so much, especially if you want to be a good member in society. It's nice to know what people are going through, and I like the thought here it had when it said, maybe we don't have this challenge, but we all have challenges. So whether our challenge is this or something else, we can learn to rise above them. And I thought it was beautiful when it said, wow, my spouse is so amazing and does so much for me. And I'm like, what a beautiful thought. Just when you go through something hard, you lean on the ones who love you. They're there for you and they want to help. And it was really educational too, because it helped me to understand how to have more compassion and understanding when you meet different ones. And that's a really good quality to have. So I got a lot from this book, and you might as well. And that's my point of view.